Hey guys, it's Zach. So today I'm going to be doing yet again another bleaching the absolute fuck out of my hair and seeing what happens. But don't click off because I'm doing something a little bit different. I'm going to be using pen ink to tone my hair, and then also I'm going to be showing you how much all of this is basically going to cost because it's relatively affordable and super cheap as well. So the products that I'm going to be using today are the Icon Sensitive Scalp 4D Developer. And then I got two packages of bleach. I'm going to go in with this BW2. It's supposed to be like super strength or whatever. So I'm going to go in with that one first. And then the second thing I got, Prism Lights Violet Powder. It's supposed to have like a purple undertone just to kind of keep that yellowness out of your hair. It's around $10 to do this. Now, will it actually work? I don't know. Oh, hi. So I just got like some ratchet ass utensils to make it all happen. My Sally's, you know, they gave me a whopping 70 cents off because of Salon BAS. I don't know what that means, bullshit. And it was really awkward shopping there considering the fact that the guy that works there has sent me his penis on social media. Yeah, so that was awkward. No shade and no tea. I don't mean to be like that bitch, but like, it was a little awkward. Okay, so just gonna put some developer in there. I don't need a lot. That was a lot. Every time I bleach my hair, I always need to do it twice. I don't know if you guys have that same shenanigans. So I do have that one packet left. So if you have like my dark of hair, you probably need to do it twice. I did spend a total of $14 at Sally's, so less than $15 was with all of this stuff, including the gloves and the extra bleach packet from Prism Lights, so that's fine. Hi. Okay, I'm just gonna scoop it in my hands and apply it straight to the hair. So back to the story about the guy that like works there. He's really nice. I really like, when I first met him, I thought he was really sweet, but then he just randomly sent me a video of him stroking it. That was not what I liked. I did say don't ever send me that ever again. And he hasn't, but he does hit me up a lot on Grindr. Yeah, he was very helpful at the store. Oh, why is this already burning? But yeah, he was really helpful. He was like telling me like, oh, blah, 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 this is good for this is good for that. And I'm just like, dude, I'm gonna be honest with you, like I'm trying to fry the absolute fuck out of my hair. A one dump type situation, please. Every time like my sister like does my hair, cause she like does hair for a living, she always like does it so much like more organized. Like she'll like do sections. Whenever I bleach my hair, I'm always like, oh, thinking about that. Like, should I really just like sectioning it off? Does it really matter? Do they do that because it's professional and like it doesn't look ratchet? Like here at Zach's Ratchet Salon, we're here to get the job done. That's like our main goal. I used to dye all my friends' hair because once upon a time I wanted to be like a hairdresser or whatever you want to call them. Dye hair. I really enjoyed doing that. Whenever like my friends would want their hair done, I would be like, let me do it. I need practice. And for some reason they just trusted me. Always doing my sister Brianna's hair. Brianna, if you're watching this, thank you for watching it all the way through. I know your attention span is very low. They saw like kind of like what I've done to her and like how it's like actually looks kind of normal, looks kind of good. Rather than paying, you know, $150, I would just be like, buy the supplies and I'll do it for free. So I gave Delaney like highlights. Hi Delaney, if you're watching this, thank you. Text me, let me know what's up. How was Disney? Happy birthday, Ari. Yeah, Virgo for life. I love Virgos. And then I did Amanda's hair. Amanda, hi, if you're watching this. Thank you for being my #1 supporter. And I did really good on both of their hair, like really good. Like Delaney's, I was persistent with it. Like she would come back and I would just like do touch-ups. Amanda's was like a little bit of a story time for me because, girl, you have red ass hair and we try to strip that away and then dye it blonde. And for the color that I got, like it looked good. It really did look very good and I was very like proud of myself. But then she like didn't ask me to ever do it again and she kind of like ran to like a hairstyle and paid the $150. I definitely got the hint that she was not about my way of doing it. Look how blonde it already is. Whoa. Wow. I've never had my hair turn this blonde this fast. Did I ever do Kirsten's hair? I think I did. I think I gave her highlights one time. She was really nervous. I was nervous because Kirsten's like, she's like an Aquarius. So like Aquarius, they like perfection. They're like magical creatures, like, you know what I mean? I was really nervous to do her hair. Kirsten, I love you if you're watching this, but like, you're very dramatic. Because I didn't want to fuck that up. Oh my god, out of all people, like, she would scare me. Like, Delaney at least would be like, it's fine, whatever. You know, she's a Taurus. Why am I over here reading all my friends' signs to you guys? Anyways, it's in. She's baking. What the heck? It's been what? Where's the little timer thing? Am I even recording? I am. I just don't know how to work a Sony. It's been no time and it's already so blonde. I cannot hang. Alright, so, I look like Jeffree Star's fucking boyfriend. Like, this is a really, like, yellow. Done. No, just kidding. I'm just kidding. Alright, so we're gonna go in with the Prism Lights Violet Light Powder Lightener. I believe it lifts up to 5 levels. Purple tone removes golds and yellows. Yes, let's get rid of that yellowness. Oh god, just one can of this was perfect for the 2 packets. I'm satisfied. Don't hide from me. This is gonna be good. This is like it, you know what I mean? And then I'm gonna have this beautiful blonde hair, and we won't have to use as much pen ink. Look at that. Ew, it smells like straight up chems. Not into that. We femme, but we ain't into chems. I am butt naked right now. Alright, putting on our reusable gloves. Handy danders. They are reusable. The guy at the store that we're so fond about told me that I should really get these reusable gloves. I can just use them and wash them off. Honestly, I think you could do that with any gloves. You can do that with any fucking glove. I have done that before with other gloves because at Zach's Ratchet Salon, we reuse gloves. We don't believe in waste. Now that we took 10 minutes to get these off, our hair has dried. Let's get into the bleaching. Oh, it's creamy. Ooh. Alright, so this is gonna burn a lot. I just know it. Ooh. Ow! It burns. No, it burns so much. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I'm over it, I quit. Pretty hurts. Oh, we're just gonna do what we did last time. Kinda just like do that. And do the other side. Ow, ow, ow. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, it hurts so bad. Ow! God, this burns! Woo! I'm honestly crying. Oh, this is not even worth it. This hurts so bad. Oh my god, I need like the strongest painkiller in the market right now. Oh wow. This can't be good. Ow. Oh my god, this hurts more than losing your virginity. Wow. Okay, it's in. It's in. It's crazy because like when you move it, it burns even more. When you see me next, I'm gonna be relieved and happy that this washed out of my hair. So that was by far the worst pain I probably have ever put myself through. I'm gonna get this paper plate, conditioner, a pen, blue pen, or a purple pen. Oh my god. Just burned. Basically took pen ink, mixed it with a little conditioner or developer. But the real question is, can it tone your hair after bleaching the whole thing? So basically you just take it and then you blow and yeah. You know, literally still in pain. My whole head is numb. Ew. And then a paintbrush and then I just use it and I just mix it around like so. You're in your hair for less than 2 minutes, literally. It's pure, basically, is what I'm trying to say. That's why it works so fast and so strong and it stays in for so long as well. Here we go. We are blue. My hair feels so thinned. My hair's fried as fuck, you guys. I just took a little water, spreading everything around with the water as well. It's kind of evenly toned throughout the hair. What's cool about this is at Sally's they have this like Wella, and that tones your hair really well, but it burns. While with this, it doesn't burn at all. Alright, I'm gonna hop my ass in the shower before it actually dyes my hair blue, but... How? My hair turned blue, so what I'm gonna be doing is I'm just gonna keep washing it and washing it till like I get it to a tone that I like. I guess when you're making it, mix it with a lot of conditioner and literally do it on wet hair. Not damp hair. Wet fucking hair. And just wash it. And then go build up from there. But I just don't want blue hair. Like, that's not my vibe. Oh, man. I washed my hair about 5 times. But I have to go to work tomorrow. Oh, I just don't even want to go to work like this, but... what are you gonna do? That's so annoying. It's not even coming out. I know that it's going to fade with a little bit of time. I did wash my hair like 5 times, so I think that helped. I don't know. Yeah, it helped. I'm gonna give you guys like a little like weekly update. Next time you see me will be probably 4 a.m. tomorrow before I drive Levi to the airport. Or just getting Levi's reaction. Honestly, I'm not gonna post on social media at all. Okay, till then. So we are on day 2 of this hair, and basically this is what we got. But I realized the back of my hair is yellow. I don't know what happened. So I'm gonna make that toner again and just do it in the back of my hair. I fried the fuck out of this bitch. She's fried. Yeah, I gotta do the back, so. I'm not mad at the color, it's just like I wish that like it looked like this throughout my whole head. TBT. Alright, so this is like the finished like hair look I guess that we're going for. Like, this is the best we're gonna do because honestly I was gonna like change the whole concept and be like, oh, dye my hair purple, pinkish, whatever. I accidentally did this with pen ink because I didn't do it on super wet hair. I had to fix the back. It looks way better than that yellow, brassy, pinkish purple, whatever the fuck you want to call that was. Where's Ashley O at? Where's my sister at? And it looks so different in different lighting. It's so weird. Bye. Good morning, everybody. So this is kind of like day 2 of the hair. I went to work and everybody really seemed to like it. Said it was nice lavender. I don't know, I got like 3 different colors that people were saying it was, but like I said, I don't know, it's growing on me. I'm starting to really like it. This was just pen ink, a blue pen, left in my hair for less than 2 seconds. But yeah, I think it's really cool. I really like it. It was a botch at first, and then I fixed it, and this is not kind of like what I wanted it to turn into, but hey, what's a good video without a little mess up? I don't know. Ew, I'm disgusting. Thank you guys again so much for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. We're almost at 400, which I think that's crazy to say. Just like less than a month ago, I was like begging for 300. I'm thinking about making new videos and putting them out there on every Monday. Maybe new videos every Monday or Sunday. I don't really know. Let me know what you guys think. It's Friday the 13th. It's really creepy vibes, but I love that. I feel like me personally, my journey has just been so crazy, and I really want to talk to you guys about like everything that's just been going on in my life and like these crazy stories, everything like that, and I'm going to upload them. That's kind of like why I want to make a film schedule for myself. So I'm going to be uploading a lot more, and I'm going to kind of open up a little bit more too. Feel like I'm afraid to talk about certain things. The point is, like, I feel like I'm holding back, and I'm not going to hold back anymore. I'm just gonna unleash. Am I saying that right? It doesn't sound right in my ears. I'm going to unleash content that is true to who I am, and I'm really excited to do this. I've been wanting to do YouTube for so long, and I have done it for so long, and a lot of you don't know this, but like I used to upload videos all the time, and then I would delete them all and then like restart, and I've done this 3 times. This is like the first time where I'm actually like, kinda going in a way, but like not really. I don't know. I'm working on it. Who knows where life is going to take me in a month? You know what I mean? Like, everything's just changed so much. I mean, like, I live in Chicago now. I have 2 jobs. I still run Phonely, which is my startup company that could save you money on your phone plans, by the way. Just a heads up. We'll talk about that later. But I'm really excited. Yeah, like and subscribe. Bye.